Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to share Upwork profile link from mobile app. If you want to share your Upwork profile link directly from the mobile app, here's how you can do it. First, open the Upwork app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Now, at the top right corner of your profile screen, tap the three dots. That's the options menu. In the list that appears, tap Share Profile. You will then see options to copy the link or share it directly through apps like email, WhatsApp, or social media. Tap Copy Link if you want to paste it somewhere manually or choose a sharing method that works for you. And just like that, your Upwork profile link is ready to go. Perfect for sending to potential clients or adding to your website or portfolio. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.